Hey, this is Dr. Willie Jolley, and a special message of inspiration is coming your way today, brought to you by Walmart.
People say that we don't know what love is or how to make it grow. Oh, baby.
Hey, it's another great day. This is Dr. Willie Jolley, author of the book, A Setback is a Set Up for a Comeback. And it is now comeback time. Faith is one of the most powerful forces in the universe to help you turn your setbacks into incredible comebacks. Once you decide to maximize your faith, everything changes in life. Charles Goodall said, "He who loses money loses much. He who loses a friend loses more. Yet he who loses faith loses all." We go through life with a series of God-ordained opportunities, brilliantly disguised as challenges. It takes partnership with God. See, God is going to do his part. The question, are you going to do your part? Now is the time to stand up and move forward in faith with confidence that you are well prepared to win, because you and God create a winning team. So hold on to your faith and then act on your faith today. You will see how your life can change. This is Dr. Willie Jolley. Look, go to winwithwillie.com, winwithwillie.com for my resources to help you win more, my box, my library, my books, and other resources. And then share this video with everybody you know, and remember to make the most of every minute, because your best is yet to come. I'm hoping that the words I shared with you today will help you live better. This message was brought to you by Walmart.